So here we are back in the morning. The sun's just rising. I tend to be a very early riser. I can remember reading once about one of the problems of travelling in groups. So the issue with people is you're all different. And some people get up early, some people get up late, some people faff about, some people are quick. And so I tend to be a very early riser. So I get up, get all my stuff done, and then just hang about for my companions. Any more than about 2 or 3, and then you're probably struggling because the diversity of the group is so big that you're just hanging about for a long time. So the first person ready will get frustrated, and then the last person is faffing about and taking their time until you're leaving by about 10 o'clock in the morning. So just be aware that if you're travelling in a group, make sure you're compatible, or at least everybody understands the different cadence of everybody. So as I said, I tend to be an early riser. I get up typically 5 o'clock, get everything done and everything ready to go. For breakfast this morning, I just made some oats. I tend to carry full oats with me. I don't boil them in the pan because that makes a mess. So what I do is I boil some water, pour the water into the oats. They swell up pretty quickly, the boiling water. I've also discovered coffee bags. I think coffee bags are a pretty quick solution if you want a cup of coffee in the morning. So you can see there in this picture, the oats are soaking in the boiling water. On the right hand side is the coffee bag in the double titanium mug. The good thing about that mug is it keeps stuff warm for ages. So you can make your coffee and then muck about or whatever you need to do, and your coffee's still hot. It's a really good mug. Also on this trip I bought some blueberries and raspberries. It's difficult actually to keep fruit like that if you're moving about. You can see there I've got that in an angle tub or whatever they're called, a snap lock tub. And they lasted the trip. They were probably getting a bit mashed, and I don't know if they'd last another day, to be honest. So I just finished them all in the morning. So breakfast, basically some oats that have swelled in the hot water. I scoffed all those berries, and then the coffee in the mug. And once I've finished that, I'll just pack it all up and off I go. It's fairly quick, it's not dirty, and you can cook and move very quickly. So that's a good quick solution if you need it, and then just get ready to go. Here we are, about 6 o'clock in the morning, just breaking camp. Bruce has just appeared. There's a little tent over there. I've had breakfast, start thinking about packing things away. Absolutely fantastic campsite last night. Really quiet. There's a few animals going around, don't know what they were. Birds woke this morning at first light. Absolute bloody noise. So I was up about 5 o'clock. Had my breakfast, had my ablutions, and now just packing up, ready to go. As I said, beautiful campsite, and we're getting the end of the wildflowers by the looks of it. So we'll be heading off soon, just taking a route back to Perth. Probably do a few dirt roads, see how we get on, and then it's just an overnighter. Just see ya.